Today we present to you ANENG's wall-mounted multimeter. The fuselage is protected by an all-black silicone cover. Appearance is angular. The back comes with a pen storage function. There are suspension holes and magnetic attraction functions here. It is also convenient to put on the table after opening it. Unscrew the back cover. Load it with 2 AA batteries. To start working, the pen jack corresponding to the gear will light up. The black watch pen is fixed in this hole. The red watch pen is based on the gear. Plug in whichever hole is bright. You no longer have to worry about burning the watch due to inserting the wrong hole. The 2 holes on the left have built-in fuses. The MU-AMA fuse tube can be replaced at the battery. The 20A insurance tube needs to be disassembled and the back case replaced. Sucked on the iron plate. Start measuring DC voltage. This kind of battery is generally direct current. Press func to switch. AC voltage. Press the max, min key. The current detection will be displayed. Maximum or minimum value. Millivolt DC voltage. Press the func key. Millivolts AC voltage can also be measured. Frequency hertz. Press func to switch. Duty cycle. On-off beat can be used to locate lines. If it doesn't ring, it doesn't conduct. It can also measure the quality of the insurance tube. Press func to switch. Resistance. Automatic range. Wide detection range. Press func to switch. Diode can light up lamp beads. Press func to switch. Capacitor. Discharge before detection. Wide detection range. Temperature detection. Temperature change cable. You can see that the detection is very fast. Press func to switch. Celsius display. Microamp. Measurable AC and DC current microampere. The operation is similar to the MA file. MA DC current. It needs to be connected in series to the circuit. Press func to switch. MA AC current. It needs to be connected in series to the circuit. DC current. It needs to be connected in series to the circuit. AC current. It needs to be connected in series to the circuit. Too bright. Press the hold key to maintain the current value. It's convenient for you to read NCV induced voltage. The closer the top is to the voltage, screen flickering and beeping will be more urgent. Used to locate breakpoints in a line. Where it doesn't ring, it's broken. Press func to switch. Live file. Single change live line. Firewire screen shows H accompanied by a beep. 0 line no response. It's too dark. Turn on the backlight screen. Turn on the flashlight. No need to worry about dark light at night.